My name's Zara. I'm doing rent to rent at the moment. Yeah. No, so I've actually joined the academy in July, and before that, I didn't have any property experience. So I've got one essay at the moment. Yeah, I've had it. I'm coming up to my 6th month now. July, yeah, nearly a year. Yeah. I've loved it. It's been so supportive, and there's always someone that has an answer for you. So I love that because you're always able to figure things out, even if you can have unlimited mentor calls. And even still, there's masses of information outside the mentor calls to help you. So I just think it's brilliant. They're very personable. They're very easy to speak to. You don't. Because I read into everything before I joined, but I also just loved the community. I'd done a few online courses before that, like the not like crash courses, and I just found his was the best. Yeah. Sorry.
So to anyone who hasn't made the leap yet and went to the crash course, what would you say?
I would say just go for it. Like you're going to go with information that you didn't know beforehand, so you won't lose anything for going.